How can you save a location in the Google Maps app? Let's open the app on our iPhone or our Android phone, and then we're going to open that specific location. Let's say I want to save a location in Los Angeles, California. It can be absolutely any place on the map. It doesn't have to be a hotel, a restaurant, or some special place on the map. It can be a hill, a mountain, or literally anything. And let's say I want to save this place in Malibu. Firstly, I'll long press on this place until you see a little red pin, and then you'll press this Save button. The next thing which I'll do is to create a new list on which I want to save the location, and I will name this Travel, or something similar. When you want to find the locations in Google Maps which you had saved, tap on this U section here. Find the list which you had created, and then it's going to take you right to that place. And in my case, it's the Malibu location, which I had saved. If you need more similar tutorials like this one, then make sure you subscribe to App Tutor, and I will see you in the next video